I do want to say God bless America. Cracking them walnuts. I've got to get a fire started in here. It's a little cool, damp out today, so going to be working on this. This right here. I've got to, the handle come loose on it. Belongs to my grandson. It's his tomahawk. I gave it to him, man, long time ago. But let me get a fire going. And I got to clean this mess up on the floor. That's how many walnuts. Well, let me rephrase that. I burnt that pile right there twice already, and I got to get that one. But we got 6 quarts walnuts, and we're gonna see how many we can get today. Plus, we're gonna work on this. So let me get a fire going, and I'll get back with you. There's that tomahawk that I made for AJ. I'll tell you more about the tomahawk later, but made that for AJ a long time ago. Let's see how it works. Yeah, wait a minute here. Let's see here. Does a pretty good job. I'm at the home away from home, in case anybody's interested. In the barn at the home away from home. Let's get that fire going. In case anybody's wondering, we're getting her going there. I just throw them boards, them logs in there. But in case anybody's wondering how I start a fire, I picked me up some of these at the store. I split me a little bit of kindling, and I got to go the old gun smoke way there. I put a little coal oil. I know I'm cheating. I was going to do a ferro rod fire today, but a bit of bushcrafting. I gave my last ferro rod away, so I got to get me a couple more. But here in a minute, we're going to throw those in there. Boy, they burn good. Walnut shells. I'll get back with you. Well, this is about it for today. I'll post some pictures of how many quarts I got. But today we're at the end. And these are just little tiny black walnuts. And you don't get a whole lot out of them because they're small. But believe it or not, that's about 6 or 7 hours just to get that many of them. But I've got all of them that I want. And the only reason really I cracked these, I need them for something. But real quick. We've had a fire going today. It's been in the 50s here in Ohio. And, we started out, we had 2 tubs like that, and that's all we got left right there. Let me say God bless to you real quick. God bless America. We'll catch you in the next one.